Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information in Educational Videos. In this video, I will show you live demonstration on how to fill the application form for JEE Main 2021. In this video, I will show you live how to apply for JEE 2021 and I will also discuss the fee you need to pay for the application for one exam and for both the exam for each category and the documents required to apply the form and the dates that you need to keep in mind for JEE 2021. So watch this video till the end so that you will get the information that how you have to apply for JEE Main 2021. And after watching this video, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or in my Instagram. So if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get further videos on JEE Main 2021 also. And so let's start the today's video by clicking on the link jemain.nta.nic.in. You will be on the official page of JEE Main 2021 and here you can see the information bulletin. You can download it and read it to get all the information, and I will make a separate video on the important information that is written in the information bulletin. So do subscribe my channel so that you will get the video on the important points related to the information bulletin about the JMN 2021 in future. And here you can see the application form submission will be started from 16th December to 16th of January, and you can pay the fee till 17th of January, that is the application fee. So now the main point, you have to apply through this link, apply for JEE Main 2021. So after clicking on that, you will be here and you have to click on new registration. After clicking the new registration, you will be in this page. You have to follow 4 steps to do your application come successfully. First is the registration. After registration, you will get a registration number and a password, which is the registration number is very important in future reference that you have to keep in mind to get login in this page again and again. And then application form will be generated and you have to upload the image of your photo and sign and the respective category certificate, and then you have to make the payment and your application will be done. So before registration, here is the important points that you should be in mind that for if you apply for only one exam, that is B or BRs, then you have to pay 650 if you belong from general, EWS or OBC male, and for female it is 325, and for SC ST PWD it is 325 for male and female both. And if you apply for two exam, then you have to pay 1300 for general and 650 for SC ST EWD and for girls. So this is all about the application fee. And here are some more important points that you may pay the fee and apply for all the 4 exam right now, and you have also the option for paying it separately exam by exam. That means if you applying for only February, then you have to pay for February, then again apply for March, and so on. And if you want to pay all the fee now, you can pay and you will be eligible to appear in all the exam. So this is the important instruction before registration. And the procedure is, after registration you will get application number and password that you should keep in mind so that you can log in. And here is the criteria for uploading the image. The scanned photograph and image should be in the JPG or JPEG format, and the size, a scanned photograph should be in the memory size of 10 KB to 200 KB, and for sign it is 400 4 KB to 30 KB. So you should keep in mind while applying for this, you have to make all these criteria fulfill, and after all the thing you have to pay the application fee through net banking, debit card, or UPI or Paytm. And after that you will get your application number and password, and you will be done with your application. So after reading all the instruction, you have to click here to proceed, and here you have to fill all the thing, that is candidate name. The candidate name should be same as class 12 or equivalent examination, so that you will not have to face any problem. Please read it carefully and write here your name same as your class 12 certificate, same letter as well. And for father's name the same thing should be done, and for mother's name same. And here is the date of birth, so date of birth will be also be as same as class 12th exam. And here the gender, identity type, here you can choose anyone, that is a school ID card, PAN card, voter ID card, and any other you can choose here. You can also choose Aadhaar card here, it means any other government identity. Here you choose this if you are applying through Aadhaar card, and you have to write the Aadhaar number here, and the address same as in Aadhaar you have to put here. And after that please provide an email through which you will get all the information regarding the exam, admit card. On the email you will get your admit card and the mobile number on which you can get the message. So if your permanent address and this Aadhaar address is same, then tick here and all will be done. And choose a password. Please choose a strong password so that it can't be hacked by other ones. And after that fill this and click on submit. And after checking all the details, you have to tick on my name is correct, my father's name is correct, my mother's name is also correct, date of birth, gender, address, and mobile number and email all is correct. So these information are very important, so that they have make sure that you have entered the right information. So after that agree, and if you think any one information is wrong, then you can click on edit registration form and you have to again re-enter the correct information. So after this you have to click on final submit and click on yes, so that you will be your registration is completed. And now the application, this is the application number, and keep this application number for future. Now you have to complete the application form. So here you have to select which exam you are going to take part, only BE or BE BTech, BE BTech and B Arch, or BE BTech B Planning, both, or a single you have to choose. And for that the exam will be selected and you will be allowed to give that exam or attend that exam. So here if you are applying for only February, then tick on February, and if you want to apply for all four or any one, any 2 3 4, you can apply by ticking all the option as many as you can. So after that you will be asked the question paper medium, in which medium you want the question paper, in your regional language or in English or in Hindi. So you have to choose that, and after that you will be asked for the four exam city that you prefer. So select the state and the respective place in that state. So 4 will be, and most probably the first one will be allotted to you and it will be not changed. You have to give exam on that allotted state or city itself. So after that you will be asked for educational detail, that is 10th or equivalent and 12th or equivalent. So here you have to give all the information, and after filling all the information, just click on the submit and you will be done with the application. And now you have to upload the documents. So this is how you have to apply for JEE Main 2021. After this page you have to upload all the documents that I have said earlier in the prescribed format, that is your photograph should be clear and your signature, and you need to keep your photograph with you because at the time of examination they will ask for the same photo. So keep a copy of that photo with yourself. And after the uploading all the document, you will be asked for the payment. You can do the payment through your debit card, UPI, net banking or Paytm. So and then your application will be done for JEE Main. So this is how you have to apply, and hope you find this video useful. And if you have any doubt related to the application, you can ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram. I will try to help you out. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the future video also on JEE Main 2021, and share this video to your friends. Thanks.